Moving on, prefabrication of T-beams and rail sleepers has commenced at the Emali construction site for the second phase of the standard gauge railway that will run from Nairobi to Naivasha. This phase is part of the 490-kilometre stretch from Nairobi to Malaba. Judge Maringa has been following up on the progress of the standard gauge railway and brings us the following report.
Men at work, a familiar sign at construction sites. And such is the case here at Emali. Engineers and constructors are busy working on T-beams, pillars and rail sleepers that will be laid on the 120 kilometers railway stretch from Nairobi to Naivasha, also known as Phase 2A. A tour to the construction site reveals just how busy as bees these men are in a bid to produce the output, and safety is paramount.
We have several safety supervisors, safety officers, who ensure that every employee has complied with the requirement. That is, they have put on the relevant PPE requirements. And my work as a safety supervisor is I go around checking whether there is any issue concerning injury of employees, work-related injuries, and report the matter to our office.
The Emali Section 7 will produce 359 T-beams and 80,000 rail sleepers. To complete these, according to the contractor, China Road and Bridge Construction needs heavy manpower, which is why over 500 Kenyans have been employed. This not only provides employment to the Kenyan labor market, but also helps in training local talent.
So we are hoping that this project will bring more benefits to the local community, especially to the Kenyan people. As for the job opportunity, also we are trying to provide a more local contract with the local suppliers.
Our main concern there at the function of the batching plant is to make sure to produce quality bridges and quality sleeper.
To produce the sleepers, cement is first mixed with sand and spilled into these already prepared steel models. The workers then ensure it is well laid. It is then preserved in steam to allow it to harden for 12 hours. The sleepers are then separated, and this is the final product.
The reason why I choose Emali as the Section 7 for the Phase 2A, still working as the camp, because this camp was preserved during the construction of Phase 1. So during the Phase 1, this is the factory. We construct, prefabricated the beam and prefabricated the sleepers. And the Section 7, their job during the construction of Phase 2A is to lay the track, that starting from the Nairobi and to the Gong Hill. So it's from the economic reason, I think we should preserve this kind of camp.
While Phase 2A will cover Nairobi to Naivasha, Phase 2B will entail works on the 262-kilometer stretch between Naivasha to Kisumu via Narok, Bomet and Nyamira. The final section will be Phase 2C that will connect Kisumu to Malaba via Yala and Mumias, a distance of 107 kilometers. The Mombasa to Nairobi railway line was completed and commissioned by President Uhuru Kenyatta, who took a ride aboard the Madaraka Express on 31st May 2017. With the clock ticking fast, the contractor hopes to deliver to the Kenyan government a completed Phase 2A of the standard gauge railway project, and to finally give Kenyans an opportunity to travel by train from Nairobi to Naivasha in less than an hour. George Maringa, KTN News at the Emali construction site.